3. Tools of financial statement analysis. Comparative statement and common size statement. In our previous video, we have learned comparative statement of balance sheet of the company. And in this video, we will learn about comparative statement of profit and loss, that is known as income statement. This is the format of preparing comparative statement of profit and loss. As we know that profit and loss is prepared at the end of the accounting period, so we have to write for the year ending and month and number of the year. But in case of balance sheet, we know that balance sheet is prepared on a particular date, so we have to write as at. And in case of profit and loss, we have to write for the year ending. Clear? Now, why we need to prepare profit or loss statement? The main reason for preparing statement of profit and loss is to know whether the company is earning profit or incurring loss, or if the company's revenue is more than all the expenses, it means the profitability capacity of the firm is increased. If revenue is less than expenses, it means the company is incurring loss each and every time. So this is the format we have explained in chapter 1. I want to recapitulate it with you. First is revenue from operation. It will also be prepared in the same way as comparative balance sheet is prepared. It has the same columns, and we have to also consider in this in this case also, that we have to write first of all previous year's amount, then current year's amount, then we have to calculate absolute change, that is current year minus previous year, then we have to write percentage change. Clear? First point is revenue from operation. It is the revenue from operation means net sales, and if there are any other incomes like commission received, profit on sale of fixed assets, they are entered in other incomes. And then we have to calculate total revenue, that is 1 plus 2 total revenue, and we have to calculate change, and then we have to calculate percentage change. In the same way, we have to calculate all the expenses. Expenses include cost of material consumed, means cost of raw material, then purchase of stock in trade. I think the difference between these two is clear to you. Cost of material consumed means cost of raw material. It is used for further production. But in case of stock in trade, the company purchase finished goods and sell out again in the market for resale purpose. There is no production of any other terms or any other product from this stock. Then next is change in inventories, opening minus closing. Employees benefit expenses means paying the bonus and cash leave, gratuity, etc. Then depreciation and amortization, fall in value of assets, intangible assets and tangible assets. Then finance cost means interest on debentures, interest on loan. Next is other expenses. Any other expenses which doesn't fall in under any of the category, that will be entered in other expenses. Then we have to calculate total expenses, and we have to calculate profit before tax, that is total revenue minus total expenses. This is the profit before tax. After this, we have to deduct tax rate from that, and we have to calculate profit after tax. Now we will do one question from this topic, and the question is on your screen. You can see there, and I will do the solution for it. I will put the amount in this statement of profit and loss. First is revenue from operation. Revenue from operation is given 15 lakh for previous year and 20 lakh for current year. It means absolute change is 20 lakh minus 15 lakh. It comes to rupees 5 lakh. Now how can we calculate the percentage change? Absolute change divided by previous year's amount 15 lakh multiply by 100. हमेशा जीरो से जीरो ही कट करना, इजी कैलकुलेशन हो जाती है. इट कम्स टू 33.33%. Clear? Next is other incomes. Second point, other incomes. And other incomes are given to you that are 4 lakh and 10 lakh. 4 lakh for previous year and 10 lakh for current year. Difference is 6 lakh. Now we have to calculate absolute change, percentage change from absolute change. Absolute change upon previous year's amount multiply by 100. 150%. Clear? Next we have to calculate total revenue. Total revenue is 1 plus 2. It comes to 19 lakh, 30 lakh, and the difference is 30 minus 19, 11 lakh. Percentage change 11 lakh upon 19 lakh multiply by 100. 1100 upon 19. So it comes to how much percentage? 57.89%. This is the total revenue. Out of this, we have to deduct expenses. Third point is expenses. In case of expenses, expenses are given to you that are 15 lakh. And for this year, amount is 21 lakh. Absolute change is 6 lakh. Percentage change 6 lakh upon 15 lakh multiply by 100. 3, 5, 20 means 40%. Nothing else is given to you. Now after completing a question, you have rate of income tax, that is 50%. It means what can we calculate from here? Fourth point is profit before tax. That is profit before tax is total revenue minus expenses. It comes to 4 lakh and here 9 lakh. Difference is 5 lakh. Percentage change is 5 lakh upon 4 lakh multiply by 100. One 25. Sixth point is tax. Profit before tax. Out of this we have to deduct tax. It means less tax, and percentage of tax is given to you, that is 50%. 50% of what? Profit before tax. 50% of profit before tax means half of this. तो कितना हो गया ये? 2 lakh, 4,50,000, 2,50,000, and percentage change is 2,50,000 upon 2 lakh multiply by 100. Again 125. After this we have profit after tax. माइनस कर रहे हैं हम इसको, लेस किया था. अगर ये हमें 50% गिवन है तो यही अमाउंट हमारा बाद में आएगा, दोबारा से कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना अपना। ये आ गया हमारा टोटल आंसर। Now I think there is no doubt in this question. So another type of this question may be revenue is given to you, other incomes are given in the percentage, means suppose revenue is 15 lakh, other income is given 33 is to 1/3% of revenue from operation, means here we have to write the amount after calculating 33 is to 1/3 of 15 lakh, that will comes to 5 lakh. Clear? Or this may be given in the percentage, like expenses may be half of the revenue from operation or 50% of revenue from operation, then we also have to calculate and it will come 7,50,000. Now I think comparative statement of balance sheet and profit and loss is clear to you. Have a good day.